Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen, welcome. And if you're old but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on.
So besties, in today's video I am going to review this My Way Intense perfume. I have done the My Way, the regular one. I really love that perfume, so I said let me try the Intense. So I'm gonna tell you guys what Intense smell like and if it's worth buying, if it's worth your mullah, okay? But first and first, make sure you subscribe, like, okay? Share this video with people that you know they love perfume, so share this video with them because everybody deserves to try this, okay? So besties, I'm gonna put the note of the perfume here so that way when I'm describing it, you guys know what top note and things like that, the base, the middle note, or whatever. I'm gonna put them on the screen because sometimes your best friend can't pronounce things, and yeah, that's that. Anyways besties, you guys like my makeup today. I feel like slaying, so I say let me do it, make it spicy today. So I'm feeling spicy, okay? So this video is not gonna be long, okay? It's gonna be short because I'm just here to put you guys on and leave, okay? So let me know if you guys like this sort of like short videos. So and if you have any video suggestion, leave them on comment section, okay? I love you all, and let me know what is your favorite perfume, please. Thank you. I would love to try new perfume. So I love you. So besties, I have the My Way Intense in here. This is 90 ml, okay? And this is what it looked like. The bottle is so cute. I like it, very interesting. It's just like the old one but different color. This perfume is very floral. It's really lovely, okay? I'm even going to spray it on this. Oh, it's so floral and sexy. I feel like you can wear this day and night. For me personally, I don't have this thing like, oh, this perfume is for night, this perfume is for day. Whatever I feel like, I wear it. This is so floral and it lasts long. It lasts all day in your body. If you spray this on your clothes or whatever, you will smell fresh all day long, okay? It's very floral, very feminine, not too sweet, not too sour, because you know some perfume they can be really soury and it's just yeah, I don't like it. So but this one is really nice and feminine and sexy, so I really love it. I always spray it and it lasts long because I've been spraying this a lot and I don't spray little, okay? I mean, I spray everywhere. So I would definitely recommend this perfume because I love it so much, and I would definitely tell you to go and get it because yeah, why not? Like, try it, go to the shop and try it. But I love the regular one. If I have to choose between this and that one, I like both, but if I have to choose, then the regular one, because I love that one much better than this one. And this one you can wear it winter, but I would say mostly summer. But I don't have this thing, so anytime I like something I will wear it, okay? I don't care if it's raining, if it's cold, if it's sunny, whatever. I live in a country where the weather is confusion, okay? UK, the weather you can be summer and you will see it's raining outside or it's cold or whatever. So I don't really, it's a confused life. So I wear whatever I want anytime I like. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this perfume because it's so sexy. So yeah, I would definitely tell you to go and get this perfume, and let me know if you have tried it and what you think of it. If you like it, let me know. And also please let me know what is your favorite perfume and all that stuff, because I would like to try new perfume. I'm just here to put you guys on and go. Let me know if you guys like this short form of video. If you do, thumbs up and share, like, subscribe, and if you have any video suggestion, let me know as well on the comment section, okay? And like I said, let me know what is your favorite perfume. And yeah, besties, I love being in here, so please don't leave without subscribing, okay? Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Share this video so that way other people get the chance to see as well. So I love you all. I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye besties.